The chain stitch is a basic embroidery stitch that creates a series of looped stitches that look like a chain. So I'm just pulling my thread up, and then I'm going to make a bit of a loop, and then I'm going to take my needle back down through the hole I came up through. I'm going to go forwards a stitch length inside my little loop and pull my thread through. Once again, I'm going to make a little loop, take my needle down through the hole I came up from, bringing my needle up a stitch length inside the loop. I'm not pulling the thread too tightly, and I'm trying to make the loops as even as I can. So I'm going to make a loop again, take my needle down through the hole that I came up through. I'm going to bring my needle up a stitch length, pull my needle through, and I'm not pulling it too tightly. And I've got my felt fabric inside an embroidery hoop to keep the fabric taut. Once again, I'm going to make my loop, take my needle down, up a stitch length, and I'm actually using some embroidery thread that has been dyed with this kind of orange dye so that you can see it's different colours all along the thread, which is quite nice. I think it goes well against the turquoise background. So this chain stitch is used for creating a thicker line, borders and patterns, good for decoration, really good around text and lettering, and works well on curves as it's slightly stretchy and flexible. And then to finish it off, I'm just going to take my needle down on the other side of the thread there, pull that down, and then I will tie a knot on the back of the fabric.